All right, I'm gonna show you how to make a pill today, or a capsule. These are the veggie caps from Young Living. These don't cost very much at all, and there's tons of them. This is a clear little capsule. You just open it right up. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. So what I do, hold on, is I just put the bottom of it there. I've got this one here. And I am making a digestion stimulating capsule for someone in my family. And so for that, I'm using digest and peppermint and lemon. And so all I do with that, I'm gonna use this little funnel because I like the funnel. Sometimes I miss. So I'm just gonna do like 2 or 3 drops of lemon, 2 or 3 drops of digest, maybe 1 more. And 2 or 3 drops of peppermint. This is such an easy way to take those, it's just easy for some of the people in my family to do this instead of other things. So all you do is you have your little oils right there. Now it's hard to see. And then you just pop that on right there, and you've got your oils in, and you just pop it in your mouth, swallow it whole. And my kids really, one in particular, probably prefer that over putting it on his feet because he's so ticklish. So that's kind of a battle every night. So that's just a simple way to make a capsule.